Hey, welcome to Lenders and Friends. I am going to show you what it looks like inside of Lenders and Friends. Okay, so one thing to keep in mind though is that my view is going to be different than your view, okay? Because I have full permission, so I can see everything, but you will not be able to see everything. So I will make it clear what you can and cannot see. So, this is what it looks like when you join the community. When you land, you will likely land here on the welcome page and you'll see me in a video talking to you about the community, what it looks like, and then you will see a connect space. So these two spaces under start here are accessible to everybody. So whether you're on a paid plan or a free plan, you will be able to see welcome and connect and everything inside those spaces. So the first part of the connect space is the feed. So this is like news, right? Any posts from people, and anyone can post there. And then events. So these are some of our upcoming events that we have. Some are virtual, some are in person. Most are free. Some are, well, one is paid, and that's just the Private Lending Wealth Summit. Then we have some webinar replays. So you'll be able to see all of these. Anything that we put in this section, you'll be able to see. But you see how this is hidden. So that means that you're not able to see it, but I am able to see it. Okay. So if you log in and you're like, where's the whatever, that is probably not there yet, because you were looking at my view. You'll also be able to see members and members near you. The discovery section is kind of like a way to see what all is in this space. You can look at top posts, upcoming events, members in your area, and any featured posts. So that is the connect space. After the connect space, you will see the space of infinite opportunity. Now, this space is available to our Capital Connect members, and it is a space to post deals, but also a place to see deals if you're a private money lender looking to fund some deals. So the first part of this space is a read first space, and it's, start here and gives you instructions on how to post a deal and what the rules are. Then we have news, which is kind of like the feed space and connect space. So just things that we post to give updates or whatever. There's a chat space, not used much yet, but feel free to put information in there or chat with people about things. And then we have a learning space. So this is a space that is constantly growing, but we are adding videos and resources for investors who are interested in using private money for their projects. So that is all in this space. And then we have some select events for this space. So you can see that the events here are different, or there may be some overlap as the events in the Connect space. Some events we post here, but not all of them. And so if you are on a Capital Connect plan, you won't even be able to see the Connect space unless you're also on another plan that includes the Connect space. So you may be able to see everything, but maybe not, depending on what plan you're on. The rest of this section is organized by deal type. So you can see people are posting deals that they need funding for, and then they usually include their information on how to contact them. So, like, she included her email, and then you can just reach out directly to that person. Next, we have the lender's space. So, the lender space starts with the lender's lounge, and it consists of the PML toolkit, which is a slew of resources, videos, checklists, templates related to private money lending, book recommendations, etc. Similar to the other space, you have the discovery section, so you can find things more easily or, see what stands out to you. There's a feed here as well. And so this, since this is a paid premium space, only accessible to paid members, they have access to everything in here, including these events. So we have weekly office hours, skill of the week, where we teach a new skill based on what the members want to learn. We also have a chat and a member section here. These other parts of lenders are also exclusive to paid members. So if you are on a paid plan, you'll be able to see those. And if you're not on a paid plan, you won't see them. Then we have our courses for deeper learning. So right now there's four, but by the time you join, there'll probably be more than four. We have the two here. These are two free courses. So if you joined on a free plan as a private lender or someone interested in becoming a private lender, you may have joined either the How to Lend from Your Savings course, 14 module course, or you may have joined the Are You Built for a Private Lending course or a different free course. And how it works is you'll be able to see that course in this space. So you may log in and go to courses for deeper learning and you'll see Are You Built for Private Lending, but you won't see these other things if you're only on that plan. If you're on a paid plan, you'll be able to see all paid things. So for instance, this one's not ready yet, but this one is included with our premium membership. This is a self-paced course on private money lending, how to get started. It's comprehensive. That is included on premium, but if you're not on a paid plan, you won't be able to see that. If you're on the base plan, you also won't be able to see that, but you will be able to see everything that's in Lenders Lounge, exclusive lender playlists, quarterly deal labs, etc. Now, the next space here is the private money lending accelerator space. So each cohort has its own space. So if you are enrolled in the Private Money Lending Accelerator, you will have your own cohort space. Or if you were previously enrolled in an accelerator, you'll have your space, which will become your alumni space. So with each new cohort, there will be a new cohort space, and only the people in that cohort have access to that space. So that includes the recordings from their course. It includes access to other members in the course, homework assignments, templates that I provided them, and also access to their alumni calls for the accelerator. And then we have an exclusive deals and discount space. So this is a place where we post discounts to our partners. So like if we have a real estate course here, we have ebook here. For people looking to form an entity, we have a partnership with LLC Attorney where they can form your entity for you. We have resources for people looking to create a self-directed IRA. So we work with Directed IRA Company and Monarch IRA, and they provide exclusive discounts to lenders and friends. So you can click into that. And this is available on paid or free plan. So you'll be able to see this regardless. And then for people interested in learning how to run a vending machine business, maybe they want to be an equipment financer and they want to lend to vending machine operators, that's a space for them. And then we have our summit spaces. So Private Lending Wealth Summit 2025, 2026, those are spaces for people who attend the summit. So poke around, look at different things, see what you can find. There's articles in here, education. So, for instance, this is an article on business purpose loans and consumer credit and how that affects business purpose loans. So, a lot of good information in here. Um, there's videos, all kinds of resources. So, make sure you take a look around, see what's in the space, ask questions, interact, introduce yourself, and we will see you inside.